I'd like to welcome you to the DUT Art Gallery. Tonight's exhibition has been organized in South Africa by the Istituto Italiano di Cultura in Pretoria and is presented in Durban in collaboration with the Dante Alighieri Society in Durban. The exhibition is titled 50 Plus, the Great Industry Game, Objects Showcasing the History of Italian Design. The exhibition narrates Italian design, industry, and architecture. The exhibition is created by Museum Impresa and the curator is Francesca Molteni. And I'm just going to pass you over to Tony Amatuli, who's from Dante Alighieri in Durban.
Well, thank you everybody for coming tonight, and thank you to DUT Art Gallery and its curator Francesca Verga. So basically, then we started to discuss about it, and we decided that to choose this venue. And is what Dante Alighieri is. We are a historic Italian cultural organization, and once more time thank you all for being here, and hope you enjoy the exhibition.
The fact that there's a blonde girl here and there's some beer here, do you find it ironic?
Listen, for me it's just gonna be I don't understand why does she need to be blonde?
I think because there was a time in history. Remember history?
I know historically why.
History. Exactly.
I understand historically why it's that way.
There was blonde people have always been commercial.
Also,
Blonde
if you're
has
blonde, you
always.
become commercial.
Not just blonde by race, blonde by color.
Well, this exhibition, first of all, organized by the Istituto Italiano di Cultura in Pretoria, in collaboration with the DUT Art Gallery, Museum Impresa, Regione Emilia-Romagna, and Dante Alighieri Durban. Is basically it's a history about the Italian industry, and the Italian industry is worldwide famous for its contributing in the design and in the designing of objects and in manufacturing as well. And so basically we wanted to go through almost 150 years of designing and going through all those objects who are today internationally recognized, such as Vespa, Barilla, Ferrari, or and many others actually. So basically, that's shortly what the exhibition is about.
Can you maybe tell me a little bit about the work that Dante Alighieri does in Durban?
Yes, Dante Alighieri is a cultural institute and is one of the 4 branches in South Africa. And we teach and promote basically cultures and languages: Italian, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Mandarin. And we also offer in-house courses and Skype lessons. Plus, we organize many other cultural events, like for example this one.
And how long is the exhibition running?
It will be until 8th of September.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you too for hosting.
Thank you.